Before you spend another dollar on video editing software or stock footage, watch this. I'm going to show you how to create professional documentary videos using only free AI tools. No paid subscriptions. No expensive software. Just smart workflow and the right prompts. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use to make realistic 3D documentary content without spending a single dollar. Most creators gatekeep this method and sell it in overpriced courses, but I believe real knowledge should be free. Stick with me until the end, and you'll learn how to produce unlimited documentary-style videos that look like they cost thousands to make. Hey, welcome at Make AI. And if you're serious about learning real AI skills, hit that subscribe button right now. Today you're going to learn the complete workflow for creating cinematic documentary videos from scratch. We'll cover idea generation, script writing, voiceover creation, AI video generation, and final editing. Everything I show you is free to use, and I've already prepared 3 custom prompts that will automate most of the heavy lifting. You'll find those prompts linked in the description below. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start creating your own documentary content today. Let's start with the foundation, which is generating your documentary idea and script. Open the prompt document I've linked in the description and copy the first prompt. Head over to ChatGPT, paste that prompt into the chat, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 20 powerful documentary ideas designed specifically for short-form content, perfect for 60-second videos. These ideas are focused on history, science, and global events that naturally grab attention. If you don't like the first batch, just type, "Give me more ideas," and ChatGPT will generate a fresh list. Pick the topic that excites you the most, because that energy will show up in your final video. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to turn that idea into a full script. Go back to the prompt document and copy the second prompt. Paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. Before you hit enter, replace the placeholder text inside the brackets with your chosen topic. For example, if you pick this topic, type that in place of the bracket text. Now press enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate a short, professional documentary narration written in a cinematic and informative tone. This script is structured to build tension, deliver facts, and keep viewers hooked from start to finish. Copy this entire script and save it somewhere, because you'll need it in the next steps. Now we move into the visual planning phase. Before we create the voiceover, we need to break the script down into individual scenes that can be turned into AI-generated videos. Copy the third prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT along with your script. This prompt is designed to analyze your narration and convert it into detailed visual scene descriptions. Each scene will include cinematic lighting instructions, realistic camera angles, accurate historical or environmental details, and smooth motion prompts. This step is critical because the quality of your video depends entirely on how well these prompts are written. ChatGPT will output a list of scene-by-scene descriptions that are optimized for AI video generation tools. Copy all of these prompts and keep them ready. Now let's create the voiceover. Copy your full documentary script from ChatGPT and open 11 Labs in a new tab. 11 Labs produces professional quality narration. Paste your script into the text box. Browse through the available voices and choose one that fits the documentary style. I recommend using a deep, calm, or authoritative voice for history or science content. You can also adjust the speed and tone using the settings panel if you want a slower or more dramatic delivery. Once you're happy with the preview, click Generate. The audio will render in a few seconds. Download the voiceover file to your computer. This will be the backbone of your entire video, so make sure the pacing feels natural and matches the mood of your script. Next, we generate the actual video scenes. Open a new tab and go to the AI video generation tool you're using. For this tutorial, I'm using a free platform that allows up to 20 video generations per day per account. If you need more, you can create multiple accounts or space out your projects. Click on the text to video or image to video tab, depending on what the tool offers. Copy the first scene description from your ChatGPT output and paste it into the generation box. Set your aspect ratio to 3:2 for now. We'll adjust the final format later in the editing software. Hit Generate, and within 30 to 60 seconds, your first cinematic scene will render. Download the video file immediately. Repeat this exact process for every single scene in your script. Generate one scene at a time. Download each file and keep them organized in a folder on your desktop. This part takes patience, but it's completely free and the results are worth it. Once all your video scenes are generated and downloaded, it's time to bring everything together. Open CapCut, which is a free video editing software available on desktop and mobile. Import all of your AI-generated video clips and your voiceover audio file into the project. Drag your voiceover onto the audio timeline first. This will serve as your guide. Now start placing your video clips on the video timeline in the same order as your script. Align each clip so it matches the corresponding part of the narration. If a clip is too long or too short, trim it or adjust the speed slightly to make it fit. Set your project aspect ratio to 16:9, which is a standard for YouTube. You may need to zoom or reposition some clips if they were generated in a different ratio, but CapCut makes this easy with the crop and fit tools. Now add captions to make your video more engaging and accessible. CapCut has an auto-caption feature that will transcribe your voiceover and generate subtitles automatically. Click on the Captions tab, select Auto-Generate, and let the tool do the work. Once the captions appear, choose a clean, bold caption style that's easy to read. I recommend using a white font with a black outline or shadow for maximum visibility. You can also customize the font size, position, and animation style to match the documentary aesthetic. If you want to add background music, go to the audio library in CapCut and search for cinematic or ambient tracks. Keep the music volume low so it doesn't overpower the narration. Add subtle fades at the beginning and end of the music track to make the transition smooth. Before you export, watch the entire video from start to finish.
September 4th, 476 AD. In a quiet palace, a teenage emperor named Romulus Augustulus sat on the throne of a dying Roman Empire. For centuries, Rome had ruled millions, its legions unstoppable.
Check that the visuals sync perfectly with the narration, the captions are accurate, and the pacing feels natural. If anything feels off, make small adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click Export. Export the video and save it to your computer. Your cinematic AI documentary is now complete and ready to upload. That's a complete process. You now know how to create unlimited professional documentary videos using only free AI tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and free video generators. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Make AI. I post real tutorials with real results every week. Drop a comment below and let me know what documentary topic you're going to create first. I'll see you in the next video.